Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking the best sausage and egg toastie you've ever tasted. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so in today's video we're going to be doing a sausage and egg toastie. And try to out the sausage and egg toastie, you will absolutely love it. It's a really simple recipe to do. Now you can do this on the Weber Genesis, you can do it on the kettle, or you can even do it on the Q as I'm going to do today. Now you will need either a flat plate or a Q-ware pan. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. And don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be down there as well. Make sure you check that out at the end of this video. Right, so as you can see, that breakfast toastie turned out awesome. Now you can do this on the Weber kettle, or you could do it on the Genesis. All you need is a flat plate and a high heat just to get that egg cooked. Now just be aware, when you serve this up, let it rest for about 2 minutes, and especially if you've got kids, because that cheese in that toastie is going to be really hot. And those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, that contemplate showing your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.